Welcome back to World Discoverers. This is the 5th video in the series. As we go along I'll probably lose count of how many we've done, but we're going to look at today another system in the English language which is borrowed from the Hebrew. I haven't seen it used by anybody else, so it's a bit of originality from myself, and I hope it has a meaning. I'm sure if you see enough of what I've done you'll see that it does have some meaning, more than just some. So what is the normal value in English? A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And just like in Hebrew, we then go up into the decimals. So K is 20, L is 30, M is 40, N is 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and then we go to 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700 and 800. Now, guess big numbers. So this system we can use in various ways as well. Call this the normal value, not normal for English, but since in Hebrew it's called Mispar Regali, the sort of normal or regular values, I've borrowed it and continued the term. Perhaps decimal value would be a better term, but normal value is stuck for me. So how do we use this? We're going to look at the flag of Great Britain, Union Jack. I'll do this in a long way. Union. U is 300. 50 is N, I is 9, 60 and 50. 9, 5 and 5 is 10, 16, 3 and 1 is 4, 469 is Union. Now we do Jack. J is 10, A is 1, C is 3, K is 20. Gives you 34. Add those two values together and we get 9 and 4 is 3 plus 1, 6 and 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10, 503. So that's Union Jack in the normal value. I put NV and that shows its normal value. Union Jack is made up of, in fact, it's interesting, you'd expect union to be connected with 1 because 1 is 34 in the placement value. 1 is placement value, 34, and Jack is 1, and union means to unite, to make 1. So, but we'll look more on that on another occasion. But at the moment we've got the normal value is 503. So the flag is made up of two colours, or three colours, called white, but the main colours are red and blue. So we'll look at these colours. If you remember the number 503, I'll write it up here. 503 was the normal value of Union Jack. I used the wrong pen here. Let's see. Okay. There's a good reason why I use the green and the red, because the blue doesn't seem to come off so easily. Right. Okay. Red and blue. To do this, we're going to look at a new system. Watch carefully. I'll tell you what. I'll use the red for the red and the blue for the blue. Red has a placement value of 18, 5 and 4. Added together is 27. It has the normal value 90, 5 and 4, which is 99. I'm going to add those two together I'm adding the normal value plus the placement value. Remember, we added in the previous slide, previous video, we added the placement value on the large variance cube, the whole value. Here I'm adding the placement value and the normal value, and I'm going to call it the total value. They're all big values. Whole value, total value. Well, I have to give it a name, and I call it the total value. Blue. Let's try blue. B-L-U-E. B is 2. We had this before. And the Star of David. Blue equals 40. Using the normal value, 2, 30, 305. We get 7. We get 3. And we get 3. 337. If I add those two together, I get 377. Now I'm going to add these two values together, the total value of red and the total value of blue, and we get 3 and 6 and 7 is 13, 2 and 7 is 9, 10, carry 1, 1 and 3 is 4 plus 1 is 5. We get the same value as Union Jack. We see that there's a connection between the colours of red and blue with the Union Jack. Okay, thank you very much for listening.